Hello, viewers. Welcome to Smart Data Learners. Today, our topic is business intelligence and data science. So, basically, both of these topics are important, but nowadays there is a hype has been created for data science and big data and everything, and the universities are starting degrees relating to data science. Plus, there are a lot of colleges have started certifications in data science. But being a experienced uh, data analyst and relative work in the business intelligence and data science related fields, I created this topic, this video to show what are these two fields and what fields should someone start if they are starting in the beginning, or those who are already into the work environment. Okay, so let's start. The importance of business intelligence versus data science depends on specific needs, goals, and maturity of an organization. Both fields are critical in leveraging data to drive decision making, but they serve different purposes and are often complementary rather than mutually exclusive. Here's the breakdown of their roles. Business intelligence (BI) focuses primarily on descriptive analytics, understanding what has happened and why. It involves collecting, organizing, and visualizing data to provide actionable insights for decision making. Tools like Tableau, Power BI, SQL language is very important. Also, I would like to add, plus some understanding of the relational database is also very important. We have created the videos in our, and these are available in our in our channel, are commonly used for dashboard reports and data visualization. Importance: helps organization monitor performance, track KPIs, and make data-driven decisions. Provide clear real-time view of business operations accessible to non-technical stakeholders, enabling widespread use across the organization, critical for operational efficiency and short-term decision making. So here I would say that those people, 90% of the people who are already in the work environment and relating to they are working in the office environment, and plus they have to handle data, or they have to deal with the data. They are already they are already a part of the business intelligence because they're organizing the information and then preparing the information for the management or end users so that they can make some decisions. So, and they can, these people, most of the people can gradually upgrade themselves to learn some tools like Tableau, Power BI, SQL, and upgrade their uh, job position, as well as it will strengthen their position in the workplace. So that is very important. Business intelligence, I think 90% of the people already working or directly or indirectly related to the business intelligence. Data science is the data science data science is about predictive and prescriptive analytics using advanced statistical machine learning and AI techniques to predict future outcomes and recommend actions. Tools: Python, R, TensorFlow tools for machine learning, deep learning, and big data processing. Importance: enables organizations to uncover hidden patterns, forecast trends, and optimize processes. Data driven data drives innovation by creating predictive models, recommendation systems, and automation. Essential for long term strategic planning and competitive advantage. Requires more technical expertise and is often used for complex and forward looking problems. Which is more important? So, which is more important? So, stage of the organization. If an organization is still building its data infrastructure or needs to improve its operational efficiency, then BI is critical, more critical. And I would like to add that this is basically, unless you have a data, you cannot go into the data science. So, and in order to have a right data, the data is which is relevant and and uh, and and enriched data which can enable the management to make some decisions, then BI is very critical. So that is the basically it's a platform from where data science born after if you have if there is a good BI business intelligence, then it can move the organization can move to data science. But if the organization have no infrastructure for the business intelligence, then moving to data science is is, is impossible. It's not possible because you don't even if you have a data, but it's not in a way that it can be used in a data science or a data science related fields. It's this data is not no good. But business intelligence, the field which makes the data uh, relevant to make some decision making. If the organization has mature data processes and wants to innovate or gains competitive advantage, data science becomes more important. Business goals for day-to-day decision making and performance tracking, BI is essential, but not only essential, but it's critical because organizations runs on a day-to-day decision making. If the day-to-day decision making is bad, then strategic we cannot move to a strategic decision making. So first we have to have a very strong and good day-to-day decision making. There comes the business intelligence. For strategic planning, innovation, and predictive insights, data science is more valuable. So after once you have a infrastructure for the business intelligence, then then there is a room for data science to be implemented. BI provides the foundation of clean, organized data and insights, which data science builds upon for advanced analysis. Data science can enhance BI by adding predictive capabilities to dashboards and reports. BI is more important for organizations that need to improve operational efficiency, monitor performance, and make data accessible to non-technical users. That is the critical part of that, because the organization is run by the and by the employees, and the employees need to access data for making day-to-day decision making, important operational level decision making, and as well as this data is accessible by the non-technical people, so that there comes the some tools which non-technical people can learn. Very user-friendly tools like Tableau, Power BI, SQL language. So they can, if they learn these tools, we have a lot of videos on in our channel, uh, and we can learn these videos, and from there, these non-technical people can mm, get access the data, explore the data, make some decision making, and then from there on they can move to different other fields. But the BI is also, if they move directly into the as a BI analyst or business intelligence analyst, there's very good salaries for the BI analysts, and the people who are already accessing the information and data. They can learn some extra tools, and then they can enhance their job skills as well as strengthen their jobs. So data science is more important for organizations looking to innovate, predict future trends, and solve complex problems. In most cases, organizations benefit from both BI and data science as they serve different but complementary purpose. The key is to align their use with the organization's goals and maturity. So that's why I would like, being a seasoned data analyst and BI business intelligence consultant for very many companies, as well as statistical data analyst and some other relating to the data science. I strongly believe that the employees who are already working should enhance their data skills by certain tools, as I already mentioned, Power BI, Tableau, and all that, and then they can move to data science or some other big data related fields. But nowadays we see that if there are colleges and universities, they're all starting degrees, even degrees in data science, which I don't know how they will train people in the data science when when they have no experience of prerequisites in business intelligence or basic SQL and data analysis. So that was my conclusion. But if and that's it. I think I thought that I should highlight both of these two topics: business intelligence and data science. And if you like this video, please subscribe uh, and share this video. Thank you.